Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make khushk, empty, plain or empty biryani. Basic mother biryani which can be paired with any raita, gravy or salan. Om Namo Ganeshaya Namah. May He bless all with wisdom and knowledge. And now for the recipe. One fine winter mornings, into my garden for a handful of fresh mint and a handful of parsley and cilantro. Now onto the rear side of the gardens. A ripe gold nimbu, scientific name is Citrus jambari. We'll take one and let's make something out of them. But what? Let that be a surprise. And for the surprise, we'll take basmati rice or preferably long grain rice. You can take either of them. And wash and rinse the rice well till the water runs clear. This is very important. This washes away not only the dirt but also most of the starch also. Garlic pods, 3 or as per as your taste. Green chilies, 2 or as per as your taste again. Ginger, 1 inch stick or as per as your taste. And blend into a grainy paste. That is what it should look like. Until to be used, do set it aside. Now, aag lagao and set up a deg or a pot, but avoid a cooker if possible. Mustard oil, kachi ghani or cold press, that is what I prefer. And desi ghee. Yes, both of them in a combination gives a beautiful taste. Allow them to heat. Once hot, add cumin, 1 tablespoon and let it sputter. Fennel or aniseed, bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, star anise. These are the whole spices that we will be using. And add all of them. Now, stir intermittently and allow the flavors to infuse well. Allow the infusion. Now add green chili, ginger and garlic paste that we had made earlier. Stir vigorously to avoid burning of the paste or the spices. Stir well and stir vigorously so as not to allow the spices to get burnt. Now, onions sliced, add them and stir intermittently and cook till onions become soft, opaque, or translucent or transparent as some or many would be. Stir. Do not let the onions or the spices to get burnt. Now add turmeric powder. This is Uska biryani masala which I had made for a client. Add Uska or any biryani masala. Red chili powder and stir well. Stir very well. Allow it to cook. Now tomatoes, watered to keep them juicy. I like it. Then, now stir well. Sea or any natural salt and stir well again. So far so good. Now add the pre-soaked biryani rice rice or long grain rice and stir well. Once mixed, allow it to cook a shade. Stir briefly again, as by this time the tomatoes will begin to go soft and exude their juice. Stir briefly again to mix the tomato juice with the rice. Now add water from any natural source. Water we have added twice, once now and once at a later stage when we tasted the biryani. Give it a good stir to mix all the ingredients and the juices well. Give it a nice stir to mix well. Now wait for the flavors and the juices to infuse well. Time to taste and add corrections if any, if required. No, none required. Cover and allow to cook undisturbed for 8 minutes. Now after 8 minutes, uncover and stir a shade once again. Beautiful, isn't it? Really looking good. But wait, let's taste again, and if any corrections are required, we'll add. Yes, rice is undercooked, hence water is required to be added. Therefore, more water is added and the pot covered again. Allow it to cook for 2 more minutes. Uncover and finally taste again to add corrections if any, if required. None. Biryani is tasting great and cooked very well by now. Now to add cilantro and parsley leaves, chopped of course, that we had picked up from the garden, and mint leaves again chopped, which again we had picked up from the garden. Stir well to mix well. It's piping hot, looking beautiful. Now juice of 1 whole nimbu or citrus jambari is 3 to 4 times more in quantity and acidity as that of Baramasi nimbu or citrus lemon album, the common Indian nimbu or lemon which is commonly found throughout the year in India. Now stir well to mix well. Wow, it's really looking good. And switch off the flame and the heat. Plate the Kuska biryani. There. Pair and serve Kuska, the basic mother biryani, with any salad, raita, vegetable gravy, salan, curry, or non-vegetable gravy, salan or curry. And don't forget to treat Kuska, the basic mother biryani, to all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.